Hello class. In the last class you have already learnt the meaning of fraction and half, quarter and three-fourth. Let us observe the example children. Equal parts of a whole object is called fraction. In the figure has two equal parts and one part is shaded. The fraction which represent the shaded parts of figure is 1 divided by 2. This is read as 1 by 2 and here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Numerator represent the number of equal parts of fraction that is selected. And denominator, it is represents the number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. 1 by 2 is called half. Children, now observe the second example. The figure has 3 equal parts in a whole and one part is shaded. So, the fraction which represents the shaded part of the figure is 1 divided by 3. This is read as 1 by 3 or 1/3. Third example children. The figure has 4 equal parts of a whole and 3 parts shaded. So, the fraction which represents the shaded part of the figure is 3 divided by 4. This is read as 3 by 4 and here 3/4. 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Let us observe the fourth example. The figure has 4 equal parts in a whole and one part shaded. So, the fraction which represents the shaded part of the figure is 1 divided by 4. This is read as 4 1 by 4 or 1/4 or quarter. And here 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. We are going to solve the exercise 9.1. First main, complete the following. A color for 1 by 4. There are 4 birds. Is there? Now fill the color for one bird. So, fraction form 1 by 4 or quarter. Now, first main B question. Color for 1 by 2. There are 2 fishes. So, we said color for one fish. The fraction form 1 by 2 or half. Now, C question. Color for 3 by 4. There are 4 fruits. Here we color the fruits 3. So, fraction form of 3 by 4 or 3/4. Question D. Color for 2 by 3. There are 3 dolls. Now we are colored 2 dolls. So, fraction form is 2 by 3 or 2/3. Now we are going to second main. Encircle the fraction that represent the given picture. In the above picture, there are 4 triangles are there and one triangle has shaded. So the fraction form 1 by 4. So circle the 1 by 4 or quarter. Now next question B. In the above picture, there are 3 equal parts. And here one part is shaded. So fraction form is 1 by 3. So circle the fraction 1 by 3 or 1/3. Now we are going to third main. Shade the next pictures to represent the fraction 1 by 3. In the first picture has 3 equal parts. So we said the part 1 here. So here we fractional form 1 by 3. Now B question. In the second picture there also 3 equal parts is there. So we said the part 1. So fraction form 1 by 3. Thank you children.